There has been a rapid advancement in technology, and when it comes to the tech sector, you cannot ignore Elon Musk and everything he represents. Among his many projects, Tesla is one of the leading industries. Tesla is without a doubt one of the most successful businesses in the 21st century. The headquarters are located near Reno, Nevada. Tesla and its main partner, Panasonic, manufacture battery packs for Tesla's automobiles, as well as energy storage products. You are watching YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll take you inside the massive Tesla factory. Don't miss any part of the video if you're interested in what happens inside. Subscribe and hit the bell icon if you're new to the channel so you won't miss any future videos we upload if you're new. Getting back to the video. Tesla's massive factory is one of the most advanced automobile assembly plants that have ever existed anywhere in the world. Each building of an automobile factory is responsible for a particular stage in the manufacturing process. But in the case of Tesla, it is different since the new Gigafactory houses all of these components under a single roof. It is a $4.5 billion facility where Tesla and its main partner, Panasonic, manufacture rechargeable batteries for the Model 3 and other products. The facility is expected to be able to produce more than 1 million vehicles annually with just one building alone. This also involves the development of the Cybertruck, which appears straight out of a scene from a science fiction film. Manufacturing will begin in 2023 for this angular monstrosity. Despite the fact that the Tesla factory employs somewhere in the range of 20,000 people, the majority of the work is carried out by robots. Tesla's Gigafactory produces electric motors and battery packs for Model 3, as well as power walls and power packs, its energy storage products. The Gigafactory started in 2014 outside Sparks, Nevada. Up until then, the work was carried out in phases so Tesla could begin manufacturing immediately inside the finished sections and continue to expand thereafter. Over several floors, there is approximately 5.3 million square feet of operating space on the current structure, which occupies a footprint of over 1.9 million square feet. Tesla expects the Gigafactory to be the largest building in the world once it is completed and entirely powered by renewable energy sources, but the Gigafactory is only about 30% complete. The factory will be designed to be net zero energy upon completion and will be primarily powered by solar panels installed on the roof. The Tesla Gigafactory is divided into many sections. The first section you'll come across is the finished vehicle storage area. Here, hundreds of thousands of finished Tesla automobiles are being stored and waiting to be delivered to customers. This section contains the enormous stamping presses that Tesla used to manufacture its electric cars' doors and other components. Tesla used the IDR, a 6,000-ton casting machine, to manufacture these components. A powerful machine, the IDR, a 6,000-ton casting machine, is used to cast the Tesla electric model's single-piece underbody. In the factory, one of the major sections is the assembly line, where enormous robots work at full speed, each one working on its own specific task. The enormous robots that are working on the assembly lines and in other parts of the plant give one a glimpse of Elon Musk's alien dreadnought. Tesla's paint shop is located in the next section. It is apparently one of the most advanced paint shops in the world. A number of Tesla customers have already received their vehicles and expressed their satisfaction with the vehicle's production quality as well as the paint job. The work is also completed by machines in this department. Additionally, the facility manufactures Tesla products such as the Tesla Powerwall, Tesla Power Pack, Tesla Megapack, lithium-ion batteries, electric motors, and Tesla Semi. Tesla is currently developing an all-electric, battery-powered Class 8 semi-truck known as the Tesla Semi. 2 concept cars were shown off in November 2017, and production is expected to begin in 2023. Moreover, Tesla is putting solar arrays on rooftops instead of ground-based ones. In the future, Tesla intends to install solar cells with a capacity of 70 megawatts, but to date, there have only been solar farms with a capacity of 24 megawatts. As Tesla claims, the 24 megawatts will also be enough for the factory, so the proposed 70 megawatts installation does not need to be installed. Maybe in the future they'll increase its capacity, but for now it's plenty. It's been growing in size for a while, especially the factory. Despite the fact that this plant has been making a lot of battery cells, packs, and drivetrains for Tesla over the past few years, work on the huge structure has stopped at about 30%. As of now, there is no evidence that Tesla will finish constructing the enormous skyscraper within the next few years. There are no signs that Tesla will be in the near future. Tesla's electric vehicles and drivetrains, as well as stationary energy storage products like power packs, power walls, and mega packs, are manufactured at Panasonic's Gigafactory Nevada facility at the same site where Panasonic manufactures battery cells. Panasonic also uses this facility to manufacture battery cells for Tesla, which Tesla then uses to make battery packs for electric vehicles. The surplus heat generated by machinery like compressors and high-temperature ovens, for example, will not only allow for the efficient operation of such machinery, but it will also contribute to the factory's ability to stay warm throughout the colder months. Because Nevada has such high air quality standards, Tesla's Gigafactory is equipped with a water-based cooling system that withstands extremely low temperatures. As a result, Tesla has a water tank in the backyard with a capacity of 10 million gallons, and they use it for air cooling. It is bone-chillingly dry and swelteringly hot during the day, but it is bone-chillingly cold at night. Due to the fact that the water can cool off in the tank, it's possible for Tesla to work correctly with chilled water. That was all for today's video. You can share with us your views in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Thank you for watching the video. Best of luck and goodbye.